guys, and welcome. Glossybox is here. It's actually here on time for once. It's amazing. Yeah, but before we dive into this, if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. If you like these kinds of videos, then make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave, and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. Now make sure you've got the kettle on, you've pulled up a chair, and let's dive in. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Glossybox, it is a monthly beauty subscription box. You get 5 items in there, and they are guaranteed to be a value of over £50, which is cool. I've been a subscriber now for 2 years, I think. It can be quite hit and miss. I will be honest. I will link all the details in the description box below. Yeah, because let's just dive in. I'm quite excited. This is really weighty as well. So yeah, I want to know what's in. So here we go. They always come well presented, wrapped in a nice ribbon with pink tissue paper. And this month we got a QR code, and it says we've now gone digital. So I've scanned this in already, and we will pull up all the kind of descriptions and information on my phone, which is quite cool. But before we do that, I'm going to give you a quick sneaky peek in the box, and then I'll show you next month's sneaky peek. So there we go. That's what it looks like. Something smells good. Something smells really good. Yeah, I like that. I am intrigued as to what that is. So I'm first going to show you next month's sneaky peek. So if you don't want to see it, close your eyes now. There we go. I'm hoping in this lighting you can see that all right. I will pop it up on screen as to what it is. Right, you can open your eyes. I'm really looking forward to that because I like it. That's all I'm going to say. Yeah, so let's dive in. So the first item we've got is from Nails Inc. London. It's the Gel Rehab Damaged Nail Recovery. So this looks really cool. I could do with some of that, I think, because my nails are not great. I'm a biter, I'm afraid, I know, and where I work in healthcare, they have to be kept short. Very short. So yeah, and I've never had my nails done either. I think I've worn false nails once or twice, but I've been in healthcare for over 15 years, so this is how they look. Stumps. So yeah, I'm really interested into trying that. I cannot get my words out today. And Glossybox have said it's a deluxe mini, it's 10 mils, and it's worth £11, and the full size is 14 mils, and it's worth £15. That's not a bad size, really. I thought that was full size, but no, that's quite cool. And they said it's the Gel Rehab Nail Treatment. This miracle 10-in-1 recovery treatment and base coat works intensively to repair dry, damaged nails in just 30 minutes. Perfect if you're someone who's not always got the time to take things slow. This powerful formula contains keratin-rich spinach, seaweed extract, peptides, nitrocellulose, and kale, which work together to strengthen, regenerate and hydrate nails, preventing against further damage. That's cool. Yeah, so I could really do with some of that, I think. And if it's clear, I may not be able to wear it to work, but I can wear it around the house, so that's cool. Now the next item, I've got a friend who's really going to be excited for this. It's from the brand Niobe. Hoping I've pronounced that right, and it's the Brighton Empathy Orange Vitamin C Body Milk. Oh, this looks really, really nice. I've had a hand cream from Niobe before, and it was so nice. So nice. And it was orange scented as well, and it just smelled absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to pop a bit on my arm. And there we go. That's what it looks like. Oh, let's see how this rubs in. I have such dry skin on my body, so I do plough through quite a lot of kind of like body butters and lotions and things. That's, ooh, what is that? That's kind of coconut with a hint of sort of orange. That's gone into my skin already. There was quite a lot there. Oh yeah, I really like that. It's not sticky, it's not greasy, and I reckon you pop that on, you'll be able to pop your clothes on within 2 to 3 minutes, I think. Yeah, because that's gone. Either that or my skin is intensively dry. Yeah, I really like that. I'm looking forward to this one. Let's see what Glossybox have said. If I can find it. I've had to kind of screenshot everything. Right, so they said it's the Vit C body milk. This moisturising cream is rich in vitamin C as well as natural avocado and olive oils, which work to improve skin's elasticity and firmness. I cannot say that word. Providing long-lasting hydration, this pleasantly orange-scented milk illuminates dull, dry skin. The perfect pick-me-up. And this is retail price of this is £10, so that's not bad. And this is probably why it was quite weighty, because it's quite a weighty bottle. It's full size too, so that's cool. The next item we have got, oh, I like this brand. It's from the brand Mud Masky. I love these masks. I had an intensive winter overnight mask that you would just, it's like a cream that you put on your moisturiser overnight and leave it. It was absolutely gorgeous. I was hoping to get one of those because you get, I think there's a choice of 4 different Mud Masky products. So this is one I got. It's the Vitamin A Booster Blue Clay Mask. It's pH balanced, it's pore refining, smoothing, firming, tightening and brightening. And there's 60 ml in here. So that's not bad. I could do with a new clay mask. And they said it's full size. Wow. And this retails at £40.50. So for these 2 items, we've already got over £50. That's not bad. Well done, Glossybox. I'm enjoying this one so far. And it says it's the Vitamin A Booster Blue Clay Mask, formulated with a blend of flowers, fruits and grade 1 clay. This mask draws out dirt from the pores while simultaneously feeding the skin with vitamins. Refining and tightening pores too, your skin will look visibly smoother after just 1 use. Featuring powerhouse ingredients, I can never say this, bakuchiol, a natural alternative to retinol, you're sure to notice a brighter complexion and more even skin tone, boosted suppleness, and that texture and fine lines are reduced. Well, I need all of those. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to trying that. If you wanted to see this in a Mask Monday, give me a shout. Yeah, and we will do it together because that looks quite cool. It would be really messy, but really, really cool. Right, now the next item we have, oh, this is another weighty one. It's from the brand Dr. Botanicals, and it's the CO Cleansing Bar. So it's the Cocoa and Coconut Superfood Facial Cleansing Bar. And here we go. This is in the box. Oh, this looks like it's an exfoliating bar. If you can see all those bits in there. So the kind of light is reflecting off of it. Yeah, but we've got lots of bits in there. Ooh, I like that. I like the smell of that. I've tried a few Dr. Botanicals products and I haven't been a fan so far. I've noticed sort of like all the serums just ball up on me, but I'll be quite interested to try that. I've just got to be careful because if there is bits in there and they are exfoliating, then you've got to be careful not to go too hard on your face. Glossybox said this item is full size and it's worth £9.90, so that's not bad. And it says it's the Cocoa and Coconut Superfood Facial Cleansing Bar. Start your day feeling uplifted and energised excuse me, with the help of this cleansing bar, created to clean, hydrate and gently exfoliate your face, body and hands. That's cool. So I could use that on my body too, which is really cool. And give you a, it says, and gives you a blissful scent, not blissful, blissful. Every morning. Key ingredient is glycerin, and this is well known for its moisturising and nourishing benefits, whilst coconut oil was full of good antioxidants, fatty acids and essential nutrients for happy skin. I am really tripping over these words today. I do apologise. Right, and the last item we have in here is from the brand, I think that's Glow Up Beauty. I can't really see that. Yeah, Glow on the 5th. And it's a lip dew. So this is a tinted lip balm. Yeah, so I wonder what colour we've got. There we go. I like the packaging. This colour, it's my favourite colour is blue. Absolutely love it. Oh, okay. Right, that has come out a bit oily because of it's new. Let's give that another go. This is more, that's better. I've squeezed out way too much. Like I always do. There we go. As you can see, there was an absolute ton of oil that came out first where it's new. That's not a bad colour really. I quite like that. And as per normal, I do not have a wipe with me. Oh, it's got a very subtle, sweet fragrance. I don't know why I showed you again, because you can't smell it. Right, I'm going to be naughty. I do have a wipe here, just to remove that. I'm going to try that this evening, I think. It feels quite sticky on my fingers though, and I don't like it when it feels sticky because my hair sticks to my lips and I don't like that. But Glossybox have said that it's full size, so really we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got four full size items out of the 5. Get that. And it retails at £12. That's, you know, that's a bit pricey for a lip tint. It says, give your lips the care and attention they deserve with this ultra moisturising lip balm, hoping to soothe and smooth dry lips thanks to the key ingredient shea butter. This cooling treatment, oh, so it cools, also gives off the look of a lip gloss, which is cool. That's probably why it's sticky. Wear alone or on top of your favourite lipstick to add some shine. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. It's, you know, it's okay. It is a lip balm though, so we could have done, you know, with something else. It's very typical of Glossybox at this time of year. Let's go lip balm. Summer, we always get a bronzer. So we're just going to recap of what we've got. So we've got the lip dew, which is tinted lip balm. The Mud Masky Blue Clay Mask. Really interested to try this. The Nails Inc Gel Rehab Treatment for your nails. The Dr. Botanicals Cleansing Bar, and it kind of exfoliates as well. And this is absolutely gorgeous. The Nao Bay Vitamin C Body Milk. This is just, I need to smell this again. Absolutely gorgeous. Really looking forward to that, and I bet my friend will absolutely love that as well. Yeah, so, you know, that's not a bad box. It's really good value. You kind of got a mixture of products in there. It's just the lip balm kind of let it down a bit. But yeah, I am looking forward to trying nearly all of those. Let me know what you kind of thought about it, and I'd love to know what mask you got if you got Glossybox, because like I said, you kind of got 1 of 4. So yeah, I'd love to know what ones you got. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.